Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about angles and today I will teach you about geometrical figure. Student, see, today's topic is geometrical figure. So, first question arises here, what is geometrical figure? First question is, what is geometrical figure? Students, geometrical figure is any point, line, segments, ray, angle, polygon, curve, region, plane, surface, solid, etc. Formally, a geometric figure is any set of points on a plane or in space. That means you can say that a figure is that which is contained by any boundary. A figure is that which is contained by any boundary. Now, see here, geometrical figures are the figures which demonstrate the shape of the objects we see in our everyday life. In geometry, shapes are the form of objects which has boundary, lines, angles and surface. Students, geometrical shapes, that are this, different types of shapes are there. That is, the shapes are, you can divide it by 2D shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes also. That is, the shapes are classified in two types, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, and shapes are also classified with respect to the regularity. With respect to the regularity, shapes are classified with respect to regularity. That means is the first one is the regular shape and second one is irregular shape. Irregular shape. Students, regular shape is a shape usually symmetrical such as square, circle. Regular shape is symmetrical shape. All the symmetrical shape, you can say the regular shape. Symmetrical shape, that means square, circle, that is the regular shape. Irregular shape is asymmetrical shape. Asymmetrical shape. All asymmetrical shape is called irregular shape. Now I will give the examples of 2D shapes. Examples of 2D shapes. See here. Now example C. Examples of 2D shapes. 2D shapes. What are the examples of 2D shapes? Triangle. First one, triangle. How to draw the triangle? Okay. See, second one is the circle. In circle, semicircle. Half of the circle is called semicircle. Square. All sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. And rectangle. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite, these sides and these sides, these sides and these sides are equal. Rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium, kite, polygon, many more are the example of 2D shapes. Rhombus, many more, etc. Many more are the example of, these are the example of 2D shapes. Okay, now I will explain you example of 3D shapes. Example of 3D shapes. What are the examples of 3D shapes? Example of 3D shapes is here. Now example of 3D shape. examples of 3D shape. 3D shapes. D that means dimension. Okay. That is the cube, cuboid, cone, etc. That are the examples of 3D shapes. Now students, in your books you have to study about the triangles, that is the 2D shapes. 2D shapes you have to learn about the 2D shapes, and 2D shapes that means triangles, rectangle, square, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, etc. There in that examples, one example that is the triangles, you have to learn about the triangles and types of triangles. Now students, you have to learn about triangles. You have to learn about the triangles. That is the 2D shape. That is the 2D shape. That is the two-dimensional shape. 2D that means two-dimensional shape. A triangle has three sides, three vertices and three angles. Everyone know, in previous class I explained you what is a triangle. The triangle has three sides, three vertices and three angles. And rectangle, everyone know, all the opposite sides are equal, and in square all sides are equal. Already I explained when I given the example of 2D shape, that times I explained you the triangle has three sides, three vertices and three angles. One example I will take triangle. That means these are the this is a triangle. Here how many vertex side? Give the name A, B and C. Here AB, this one is the one side, BC is another side, AC is another side. Means how many sides here? Sides is sides here. Sides are AB, BC and CA or AC. You can write. Okay, these are the sides. Vertex. What are the vertex here? These points. A, vertex B and vertex C. Here angle. How to denote the angle? Students listen how to write the angle. These angles you can write B angle, BAC. These angle will be in center, and angle ABC. These angles how to write? Angle ABC. Angle ABC. And this one BCA. Angle BCA. Means here three sides, three vertex and three angles. Three sides, vertex are vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. These are the three vertex, three sides and three angles. Means in a triangle has three sides, three vertex and three angles. Now types of triangles. Type of triangles, students see here. Types of triangle. By sides, types of triangles is scalene triangle, then equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle. Triangle. These are the three types: scalene, equilateral, isosceles triangles. Another, according to the angles, that is the acute angle triangle. Acute acute angle triangle. Next one is the obtuse angle triangle. And right angle triangle. These are the types of triangle. These are the types of triangle. Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Here sides scalene triangles and equilateral triangle, isosceles triangles. Students, triangles, first I will start with scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle? The triangle which have in scalene triangle, the triangle with all three sides are different and unequal length. All three sides in scalene triangle, all the three sides are different. All the three sides are different. Means all the these sides and these sides, all three sides are different, is called scalene triangle. All the three sides are different is called scalene triangle. And triangles with, next one is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, triangle which have all sides of equal length. Here the triangles, all the sides have equal length. See, here these sides is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Means these all three sides are equal and its angle must be also be equal. Its angle also be equal. That is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. And already I told you students, the internal sum of internal angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of internal angle of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then here what I scalene triangle, all sides are different and all angles also different. All angles, this angle and this angle and this angle also be different. Here equilateral triangle, all the sides, all the three sides are equal and their angles also be equal. Isosceles triangles, triangles with two sides of equal length. Here in isosceles triangle, two sides of, these are the scalene and these are the equilateral, lateral, and next one is the isosceles triangle. Two sides, these two sides are equal. These sides and these sides are equal. Then this angle and this angle also equal, is called isosceles. Here this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle equal. Here this angle and here all angles are different. All angles are different. Here three angles are equal. Here two angles are equal. Two sides are equal. In isosceles, once again I explain you, scalene, all the three sides are different. All three angles are also different, is called scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal and all the three angles also equal, is called the equilateral angle triangle. And here isosceles triangle is triangle with two sides is equal, two sides of equal length are called, these two sides of equal length are called isosceles triangle. Now next one is the, here acute angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and the right angle triangle. Students, see here, first one acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, the triangle in which all the three angles are acute. The triangle in which all three angles are acute. Students, I already explained you about the what is acute, what is obtuse, what is right angle. Acute, that means the measurement of the angles less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree. Obtuse, that means measurement of the angles is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Right angle, that is the exact 90 degree. Already I explained you this in previous class. If you have any doubt, then you see that videos. So here first one is acute angle triangle. Means acute angle triangle, the triangle in which all three angles are acute is known as, all three angles are acute is known as acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, triangle in which one of the angle is an obtuse angle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. One of the, here one of the angle, one of the angle is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. Here example of this one. Obtuse angle, obtuse triangle, that is the this one. A, B and C. These are the example of obtuse angle triangle. Okay, next one is the right angle triangle. A triangle in which one of the angles is right angle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. One of the angle must be equal to 90 degree. Must be, one of the angle is, this angle is the 90 degree. Then it's called the right angle triangle. So in your exercise books, here given some pictures of triangles are given. You have to identify measuring their sides, and you have to see is what type of angles. The sides, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangles. You have to measure the length, and after then you have to decide what type of triangles is that. Next one, identify the triangles by measuring their angles. Angles, already I explained you. In acute angle, all the three angles are acute. Obtuse angle, one of the angles is an obtuse, then it will be the obtuse angle triangle. And in right angle triangle, one of the angles must be equal to 90 degree, must be right angle, then it will be the right angle triangle. So now in 3D shapes, you learn about example of 3D shapes is square. Example of 3D shapes is cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Cube, cuboid, cone, and cylinder. The students, I will explain you the 3D shapes, about the 3D shapes. 3D, that means three dimensional. 3D shape. Three-dimensional shape. What I told? Cube. First one is the cube. So what is a cube? Cube is a three-dimensional shape which has, cube is a three-dimensional shape which has how many faces? 6 faces. Which has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Cube is a three-dimensional shape which has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Cuboid. Cuboid is also a three-dimensional shape which has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Cone. What is a cone? Cone is a solid which has a circular base and narrows smoothly from the surface. Is called the cone. So students, these are the example of 3D, three-dimensional shape, and also I explain you two-dimensional shape, triangles. And now shapes are also known as the open shape or figures of open figure or closed figure. See, open figure, and closed figure. It's a very easy. If the figure is not completed, means if you are drawing this figure and it's not closed, see here we will start from here, but going here and stop here only, not going to that point from where we start. Is this part is open here, so is called open figure. And closed figure, this circle is closed, this leaves is also closed. These are the example of closed figure. Now this figure, this square is closed, this square is closed, is example of closed figure. But if I will remove from here the line, this line will be open, then it will be the example of open figure. Is example of open figure. If example of open figure means to sketch a closed figure, one has to meet both the starting points and ending points. Means for the closed figure, to sketch closed figure, one has to meet both the starting point and ending point. Means from where we are starting, and also both will be made the starting points with the ending points, then it will be the example of closed figure. Is the example of closed figure. Okay. Open figure, already these are the two types of figure, open figure, closed figure. Now in geometrical shape you learn about the different type of shapes, 2D, two-dimensional shape and three-dimensional shape, and also you learn about the regular shape and irregular, that is the open figure, and closed figure also you learn here. So students, now your geometrical figure is over, and solution of this chapter I will give you in next class, and next video I will explain you about the measurement, that is length, weight and capacity. So students, do the regular practice, stay home, stay safe.